In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update to iOS 27 Beta 3. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser, then head over to the website beta.apple.com. Once you're in this website, you will need to scroll down. Now here you're going to find the option of sign in. Click on that. Now provide your Apple ID's credentials and log in. After you log in, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of enroll your iOS device. Click on that. Now you will be directed to this page. Scroll down, click on the option Open Beta Updates. With that, you will be directed to your settings page. Here, check in for the option iOS 27 Developer Beta. Then you can head back. Now here you're going to find out the latest update of beta, iOS 27 Beta 3. Now you can go ahead and click on Update Now or Update Tonight and complete the update as well as installation process. So this way you can easily update to iOS 27 Beta 3. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.